I'm so excited to open up this Stitch Advent Calendar. So this was sent for my review, and this is meant to be jewelry, which is exciting. I am a huge Disney fan. I do love Stitch. I mean, how could you not? I think it's adorable. So I'm not sure if I said this out loud already, but it is 12 days. So let's just go ahead and pop a couple of these open. So we've got number 1 here. So I think I saw something. So this is going to be a mix of, we've got bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and then they're all just kind of individually packed. Well, this has got some good weight on it. That's cute. And you've got like the little like jewel here on the side, which is fun. Let's go ahead and see what's in number 2. I love advent calendars. You know, these are earrings. Growing up, we never had these really fun ones. It was just that really gross chocolate. And then now you have so many different options here. Look at that. If you love Stitch, how adorable are these earrings? Let's find number 3 right here. And then, oops, I'm actually destroying this box by accident. It's probably because I'm opening it upside down and not doing it properly. So let's grab these ones here. I think this looks like some more earrings. Oh, these are so cute. So they're pineapple earrings and they're like nice and dangly. Like, can you picture it? This is really cute. Love that. Let's see here. I'll only open a couple more just so that you get an idea. Let's see if there's like any necklaces. Ooh, so we've got like a little charm. That's fun. So I do love that it's like well packaged. So I like that this is actually attached on there so they're not actually going to like slip and slide all over the place. So you've got a charm here, which of course you can add to literally anything. Keychain. Let's do it. Let's open 12. 12, you know, our last day that we have here. Oh, we've got some cute earrings. Oh, those are adorable. Okay, if I can get them out. Again, very well packaged, which is fantastic. Super cute here. And of course, obviously lots more doors to open. But as you can see, this is just to give you an idea of some of the super cute jewelry in here. And as I said, when I opened that bracelet, they've all got some really decent weight to them, which is definitely something that's important to me because when they're like super light, you know that they're like extremely cheap. So I think this is really awesome and I'm excited to open the rest.